Why you should choose HP MC425 Mini Portable Projector. Full HD Smart Projection for Home and Outdoor Entertainment. The HP MC425 Mini Portable Projector is a compact yet powerful smart projector designed to deliver cinema-quality visuals in both indoor and outdoor environments. Featuring native 1080p Full HD resolution with 200 ISO lumens brightness, it produces crisp details and vivid color accuracy ideal for movies, streaming, gaming, and presentations in dim or low light settings. Its short throw ratio of 0.8 allows users to enjoy an immersive 80-inch screen from just 1.4 meters, making it perfect for bedrooms, apartments, dorm rooms, and RVs. Powered via USB-C and compatible with power banks, the MC425 is travel-ready for camping trips and outdoor movie nights. Automatic focus and vertical keystone correction ensure fast, hassle-free setup, while the 90-degree rotation design enables flexible wall or ceiling projection. With built-in Wi-Fi for wireless screen mirroring, Bluetooth audio output, an integrated speaker, and ultra-quiet eco mode performance, this mini projector delivers a versatile and comfortable viewing experience anywhere. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching my video. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.